大家好，大家好，今日係6月17號星期二，咁咧港股今日係上升嘅，但係藍籌股咧係窄幅上落，恒生指數開始咧仍然升46點，國企指數升14點，科技指數升14點，阿里巴巴升1.24，騰訊升0.88，美團升3.6，友邦保險升0.36啊，金沙升1.8，同埋銀娛升1.7，係升幅最大嘅藍籌。開市之後咧都係維持窄幅上落啊。油價下跌，中海油跌2.3%，中石油跌1.6%。銀行內銀股都跌，中國銀行跌1.1%。建設銀行跌0.3咁樣，但係咧手機設備股升，舜宇光學升3.2%，高威電子升6%，瑞聲升3%。上晝中段咧，港股由升轉跌，中海油跌2.36%，周大福跌7.1%，但係有啲老再生科技嘅股咧就急升，南京熊貓電子升28%，老動科技升29%，微創老科技升22%。但係咧就醫藥股回吐，石藥跌呢個係4.7%，中生製藥跌3%。上晝收市恒生指數跌32點，國企指數跌20點，科技指數跌3點，成交1081億元。下晝早段變化唔大，都係跌幾十點，但係到尾段咧就跌幅擴大到100幾點，就銀行股領跌啊！建設銀行跌1.54%，匯豐跌0.9%，港交所跌1.7%。收市之前又升翻少少，恒生指數收市跌87點，國企指數跌3點，科技指數跌12點，成交1950億元。未受到中東局勢緩和影響，港股照跌啊。Hi everyone, today's June 17th, Tuesday. The market opened slightly higher this morning. Hang Seng Index opened up 46 points, Exchange Index up 14, and Tech Index up 14 points. Alibaba, Tencent, Meituan, AIA rose. Sense rose 1.8%, and Galaxy rose 1.7% to lead the blue chips. But of course, the oils fell because crude oil fell. CNOOC lost 2.3%, PetroChina lost 1.6%, mainland banks fell, BOC lost 1.1%. But handset suppliers rose. Sunny Optical rose 3.2%, Carwell Electronic rose 6%, AAC Technology rose 3%. Then the market turned from gain to loss. It remains that way. Hang Seng Index closed the morning down 32 points, Exchange Index down 20, and Tech Index down 3 points. Turnover was $108.1 billion. The market was little change in early goings, but then it fell further in the late trading. Hang Seng Index lost more than 100 points, mainly because banks fell. CCB lost 1.54%, HSBC lost 0.9%, and Hong Kong Exchange just lost 1.76%. Hang Seng Index closed the day down 87 points, Exchange Index down 35 points, and Tech Index down 12 points. Turnover was $195 billion. Despite Iran wanting a ceasefire, the market still fell. Okay, finished.